Here's how you can make rosemary Parmesan bread without yeast. Beat a large egg. Add half a cup of sour cream. Whisk in 1 1/4 cup of milk, as well as a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Use 2 1/2 cups of AP flour. Whisk in baking powder. Add kosher salt and black pepper. Finely chop fresh rosemary and add half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Whisk together. Add the wet ingredients to the dry. Gently mix together. Just enough for a loose, thick batter to form. Transfer the batter to a lined loaf pan. Gently smooth the top. Then sprinkle 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Bake for 35 to 45 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit until risen and golden brown. Cool down briefly in the pan, then lift the bread out to cool completely. Enjoy!